I'm Vernon Hill, and this is the Trick of the Week. So I'm live in my personal recording studio, and this record that I'm going to be showing you today is by Palma. I just came up with this trick. This is something I just kind of did, and I'm like, you know what, I gotta kind of put this in the Trick of the Week. So what I'm going to be doing is using plugins like the compressor and the Deesser to add life and add movement to the drums. So I'm gonna play the track. You can kind of digest it a little bit.
She gon' hit me with that unfollow. Only do it cause she mad, I know. Press a pen when they hit the arrow. Who are you wanna be so cold?
What I have is I have my kick and snare all bus to one something. When I play the song and I solo the kick snare bus, the hi-hats and stuff are playing too. The process is called comb filtering. Imagine a plastic comb. It's got the bristles inside of it. So what I'm doing is sending these hi-hat signals to a kick snare compressor / Deesser, and I'm gonna make them move and comb filter. So every time that bristle hits, it's making the hi-hats almost kind of side chain or duck. I'm just adding movement based on summing and routing. So this is what people in the industry will call glue. First step is I have a Deesser plugin that I use, Eiosis E2 Deesser. I think this is included in the Slate pack. It's about $15. So the hi-hats, the kicks, and the snares are all going through this. So what I do is I'm just gonna kind of add, let's start this at about 65%. This is just initial settings.
Unfollow. Only do it cause she mad, I know. Press a pen when they hit the arrow.
Already listening to it, I feel like I'm adding life to the hi-hats off the bat. So let's go bypassing it out.
Unfollow. Only do it cause she mad, I know. Press a pen when they hit the arrow.
Let's play with, adjust it just to my liking, you know what I'm saying? That really does sound awesome. It has that comb filtering. You kind of hear how every time the section hits where the kick comes, where the high transient is, that hi-hat's gonna duck a little bit, almost like a gate would, but you're not really dropping volume. It's cool.
Unfollow. Only do it cause she mad, I know. Press a pen when they hit the arrow. Who are you wanna be so cold? She gon' hit me with that unfollow. Who is petty, why you go so...
I like that. I like it a little bit extreme. I'm gonna be honest. It's a lot better to run into the field than to run backwards. So what I do next is I use the Shadow Hills mastering compressor because I think that this is really like bus magic gold. So what I do on this guy is I use a love tap. You gotta love tap. You don't want to be using a whole bunch of compression. Mind you, the drums should be done by now. This is your glue on top of all the drums. Love tap, love tap. Watch.
Unfollow. Only do it cause she mad, I know. Press a pen when they hit the arrow. Who are you wanna be so cold? She gon' hit me.
That's creating some sort of movement. Every time that transient hits, that's reminding me that that's the comb. That's that pin in the comb. And then once I play the whole track in, I wanna be able to hear I wanna hear a difference. I wanna hear almost a side chain, like a dance music style pump. We're going for the pump.
Unfollow. Only do it cause she mad, I know. Press a pen when they hit the arrow. Who are you wanna be so cold? She gon' hit me with that unfollow. Who is petty, why you go so low? Who I ain't been the best, I know. But she play with me like I won't know. Hit me with that unfollow. Only do it.
So you'll notice as I start to adjust attack and release times, and I even turn down the ratio because I really don't want to be. I told you I'm not trying to do compression. I'm trying to create movement. Bypass to no bypass on both of the plugins, Deesser and compressor. Just kick, snare, 808. Now that is a trick of the week right there. You can check out my new show, KAI Cast, right on our YouTube channel. I'm Vernon Hill, live at the humble abode at Studio KAI. Have a good one.
Cool. Awesome. Wait, doesn't that mean I was taking a picture?
She gon' hit me with that unfollow. Only do it cause she mad, I know.